Hey everybody, welcome back. Glad to see you're still with us. The next thing we're going to talk about is 𝐒𝐞𝐫's amazing feature called the service menu. The way to envision a service menu is like going to a restaurant and being able to offer your clients the same services at a standard price. Here's a menu board that you may see at some chain service facilities. They have basic services with starting prices, and this is how they use marketing to draw in clients. We give you the ability to take this and build it out for yourself. With 𝐒𝐞𝐫's service menu, you can have popular jobs, which would be jobs that customers constantly request, at your main screen. In addition to that, on the left-hand side, you can search based on category for any one specific job, and you can create a service request right here. It also tells you how many hours you would need to perform this service. When you're scheduling the appointment date and the appointment time, you'll be able to do so and know that you're going to get the job done on that day. You can take notes while the client is on the phone. Insert a title. Create your service request right from the service menu. Once in the service request, you can click our switchover icon to search for an existing customer, or press add to put in a new customer, where you can put in first name, last name, optional email, and a mobile phone number. You also don't have to put in customer details. You can input just vehicle details by clicking the vehicle switchover icon, pressing add vehicle, and entering any vehicle license plate. As long as the proper state is selected, it will pull make, year, model, and you can create a profile for that vehicle with no customer. The power of 𝐒𝐞𝐫's service menu doesn't stop there. Let's say this client also needs an oil change. You can simply add the oil change job to your service request. Once the job is added in, you can now select the service menu icon. It'll pull up all the services that match the current job category, and you could paste that down. Having pre-built jobs saves you time and gives you better customer service. With 𝐒𝐞𝐫's service menu, you can go from service jobs to rebuilding transmissions, as an example, to creating a service request, loading all of these parts into the select job. With one button, you can launch all the parts in a stock order window and get ready to place the order as needed for everything you would need within 2 clicks. This is the power of having this amazing feature in 𝐒𝐞𝐫. Reach out if you'd like to learn more about how the service menu can help you at your facility today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.